reality is that the Prime Minister is corrupt. मतलब इससे साफ करप्शन का केस हो ही नहीं सकता है.
The entire nation is asking a direct question about the Prime Minister.
The French NGO Sherpa, investigating the Rafale scam, has echoed what the Congress leader has been saying all along, that PM Modi compromised India's national interest in the Rafale deal. In a latest, the French NGO Sherpa says Rafale deal has systemic elements of international corruption against Indian national interest. The report further says the rupees 59,000 crore contract for 36 Rafale fighter jets is troubling, suspicious, and the deal's conditions were to be detriment of the renewal of Indian air defense. Thanks to PM Modi's failed diplomacy, India today faces challenges on all its borders, and 126 Rafale jets with technology transfers could have tilted the balance in India's favor. But unfortunately for the Indian Air Force, the revival of Mr. Anil Ambani's group is more important for the Modi government. This report is also from the same NGO whose previous reports on the Rafale led France to start an independent judicial probe into the intergovernmental agreement. In October 2018, Mediapart found an internal Dassault document that called the contract to Ambani's firm a compensation, which was imperative and obligatory if it wanted to back the Rafale jet order. In India, the Congress leader alone has been up against the central government, demanding a joint parliamentary committee probe into the alleged corruption deal involving PM Modi. The report also raised doubts over the deal and raised questions that Shri Rahul Gandhi has been pointing out. Modi government is an international embarrassment for India. From Pegasus to China to COVID to Rafale, only one thing has been proved. For the Modi government, their own interest is always ahead of the national interest.